Hello YouTube, this is Satish here, and in this video we are going to learn how to flash Sony Xperia IM smartphone using the Sony Flash tool. I am currently using Sony Xperia MC1904 and hence cannot install Android 4.2.2 in my phone, whereas Sony Xperia M dual users can install Android 4.2.2 in their phone. But devs have said that we can cross flash 4.2 M dual firmware with Sony Xperia M, but I don't want to take any risk. Now let us go to the procedure. The first prerequisite to flash your phone is to have Sony Xperia Flash tool. Sony Flash tool is the link to the Sony Flash tool is given in the description given below, and we need to have the firmware file. Currently I am having the official firmware file, which is nothing but C1904 15.1.C.17. Just copy that file, the link, just copy that file and then go to C where you have installed Flash tool and copy that firmware in the firmwares folder. I've already done it here, as you can see. And then we need to go to drivers, Flash tool drivers, yes, and install Sony Xperia U, Sony Flash mode drivers, and Sony Xperia U PU, and then install. And you need to just go through the procedure. I've already done that, hence I'm not showing you that thing now. Now we need to open Sony Xperia M Flash tool, Sony Xperia Flash tool, I'm sorry, it's not Xperia M Flash tool, and then select the lightning button and then select Flash mode. Now this is my firmware, select it. Now I need to connect my phone in Flash mode. Now this is how I do. First I need to switch off my phone, power off. See, I've put in airplane mode. Okay. Need to power off my phone. Okay, it is powering off. As you can see, my device is switched off now. I need to press the volume down button and connect the USB cable like this. And then you can see that the device is connected in Flash mode. The device is connected in Flash mode. Now go to the lightning option and select the Flash mode and select the required firmware, 15.C.17. this is my firmware, and then select Flash. Now the process has to start. And yes, the process has already started. Now you can sit back and have a cup of coffee. It takes 2 to 3 minutes to complete the process, and that is why I am forwarding the video now. As you can see, the Flash process is almost complete. Please unplug and start your phone. Now I'm going to do the same thing. I have unplugged my device and now I'm going to start my phone. Takes some time to start. As you can see, the flashing process is done. You don't need to worry. It takes 1 or 2 minutes for your phone to come to the normal state, hence you don't need to worry about it. I have forwarded all these things, and now your firmware flashing is done and you can use your phone. That's all for today, guys. Have a nice day. You can also flash Android 4.2.2 in Sony Xperia MC1904 provided you take the risk. That's all for today. Have a nice day, guys.